a breakdown of INXS's This Time, one of their big hits back in the 80s. And so, so the song starts off with this, it's an arpeggiated thing. So you got, it's like a G, well it is a G. So you just go from low bass G, and then, so they would be, the pattern would be, so E, G, B, E, sorry, E, B, G, E, strings anyway. So you're going E, B, G, E, B, G, and then you go to the B, E, so you back up. And that's the situation for that whole pattern. And then that sort of just sets the vocal tone for where he's going to sing at, but then it changes to a D. So it's the same picking pattern, and that's the verse, right? And then it'll switch to, we are hoping, yes, and we're praying. And that's an E minor, and then it's with this kind of a D sus chord right here. So to an A. So, and that's the transition, and then it goes, this time will be the last time that we'll find life. And that's just B minor and D. The last time to see we'll fight like this. Goes back to the verse. Well, actually, it goes to this. So, so this is all in this B shape right here. So you're on B, 4th fret of the 3rd string. To back to the A, to the D, which is, that ends on a D note as well. And then it goes, which is an E, and this back and forth is your G. So G, B. And then on the last thing you need to know about the end of the song, when it's going, this time will be the last time that we'll fight like this. And then it goes, this time will be the last time. And that's how they end the song. So he switches to an A and then a G and a D at the end of the song. So enjoy that. That's INXS's This Time.